Hello everyone, Eddie Parrish here with Boomlight. We're here at Reynolds Construction in Dallas, Texas. They've been so kind to let us come into their facility, and today we're going to be doing the install on the mounting bracket for the THOR Paver Lighting System. The THOR is a custom design for asphalt, concrete, pavers, cold planters, compactors, drill rigs, reclaimers, any kind of utility vehicle that you could think of. It produces a totally different environment for our guys in the back of the paver doing the finish work. It really illuminates their safety gear and brings attention to what they're doing. It is all about safety. Thanks for tuning in. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to call us. Be safe, be seen.